guys, welcome to our channel. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Kevin and Stella's Philippine Life, I think it is. She's making me do it for some reason today. Anyway, this is our temporary home for 3 months till our place that we wanted to rent becomes available. So that's September 1st. So anyway, come on in and check it out. So we got parking over here. So that's our parking spot there. There's parking behind Stella there for the other units. I'm gonna grab our trash can. Give me a sec. Okay. So that's our rental bike, the white one over there next to the truck. That's about it for that. I think there's five units here, but this being the first one. So this would be our neighbor here. So this is the swimming pool for everybody. Community area, this whole area here. So this is our place. I'll set this here. Welcome to our, what'd you say? Humble home? Yeah. Our humble home.
So this first.
So this is living room. TV was here, but we took it out and put it into the bedroom. Our TV wouldn't fit into the truck, so we ended up selling it in Sorsogon.
So we have electric fan.
So, well, obviously, there's a fan.
Because nothing aircon here, guys.
Yeah, there's no aircon in the living room here. Just a wall there. So, got a couch, couch right there. Kitchen table. So this is where we eat.
Our ice maker.
We bought an ice maker. That's an ice maker. This is a kitchen area. Very small fridge. I've been eating a lot of steak lately because we had the deep freeze at our house. So been trying to get that down so we have more room. So pretty small fridge here. But bought a water cooler. Bought this air fryer. It's glass. Trying to stay away from microplastics as much as I can. So that's that. Got a back area here. That's the gas tank there. I bought an electric grill for grilling any meats. Yeah, so just a little area. So.
We're not doing laundry here, guys.
Yeah, we take our laundry and to a laundromat and have it done. So that's it there. Here is the CR bathroom area here. Shower, hot water heater, obviously toilet there. And unfortunately, building in the Philippines isn't quite what it is in the US. The floor drain here is in the high point. The low point's over here. So this area fills up with about an inch of water before it hits the drain. So every time we're done showering, we got to take our foot and send some water over to that drain. And then there's a sink there. And then over here is our bedroom. So 1 bedroom, decent sized room.
Yeah.
So there's our bed. That's their bed. Our linens and stuff. Aircon there on that wall. This is where the TV was put. There was already a mount there, so I just had to take it off the mount in the living room and put it on, set it on this mount here. And sorry, this is our closet.
pretty much dirty.
And we're not really unpacking
Yeah, we have this still a
just
lot.
because we're only here temporary. So until our next place is available again, September 1st. So, yeah, and that's about it.
Okay, I sorry.
Yeah, this is our place.
Yeah.
All right,
Our place, guys, temporary.
this is it.
Thank you. Thank you.